Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Fit headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle's engine is off and completely cool to avoid any burns. Now, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly you'll be working on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Next, you'll need to access the bulb itself. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pulling it straight off the back of the bulb. Then, carefully remove the rubber dust cover, which protects the assembly from moisture and dirt. Finally, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the bulb securely in its housing. This spring usually pivots to release the bulb. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully pull out the old bulb, being mindful not to drop it. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base. Once the new bulb is seated correctly, resecure the metal retaining spring to hold it firmly in place. Ensure it clicks into position. For the final steps, carefully replace the rubber dust cover, ensuring it forms a tight seal to protect against moisture. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your Honda Fit headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.